Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we'll show you how to fix common picket fence problems. Problem 1. Loose pickets. Over time, nails can loosen, making your fence unstable. Solution: swap out nails for weather-resistant screws to keep everything secure. Problem 2. Rotting wood. Moisture can cause rot, especially at the base of pickets. Solution: replace rotted pickets or patch small spots with wood filler. Always seal your wood to prevent future rot. Problem 3. Peeling paint. This exposes the wood to damage. Solution: scrape, sand, and apply a fresh coat of paint or stain for protection. Problem 4. Warped pickets can ruin your fence's look. Solution: replace them and apply a waterproof sealant to prevent future warping. Problem 5. Leaning fence sections are often caused by loose posts. Solution: reset leaning posts with gravel and concrete, ensuring they're level. Problem 6. Uneven gaps ruin the fence's uniform look. Solution: loosen and realign pickets using a spacer for perfect spacing. Let's recap. 1. Tighten loose pickets. 2. Replace rotting wood. 3. Repaint peeling areas. 4. Fix warped pickets. 5. Straighten posts. 6. Realign gaps. Now you know how to keep your picket fence in top shape, ensuring it stays sturdy and beautiful for years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.